account locked on TurboTax App Fix. You're ready to file your taxes, but when you log into TurboTax, you see those dreaded words account locked. It's frustrating, especially when deadlines are approaching. But don't worry, unlocking your TurboTax account is simple once you know the right steps. Most people try to log in again and again, but here's the truth, that only extends the lockout time. TurboTax locks accounts automatically after multiple failed login attempts to keep your personal and tax data secure. To unlock it, start by going to the TurboTax login page and selecting Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your account. TurboTax will send you a password reset email. Open it, click the link, and create a new, strong password. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder. It can take a few minutes to arrive. If it doesn't show up at all, make sure you're using the correct email tied to your TurboTax account. In some cases, your account might be locked because of identity verification issues like logging in from a new device, IP address, or location. TurboTax will send you a verification email asking you to confirm it's really you. Once you verify, your account should unlock automatically. If you've tried these steps and still can't access your account, contact TurboTax support directly. I'll verify your identity and manually unlock your account. You can usually get it resolved within a few hours. To avoid this happening again, use a password manager to prevent login errors and enable two-step verification for extra security. Getting locked out of TurboTax can feel stressful, especially when you're dealing with important tax documents. But remember, it's just a security measure designed to protect you. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be back to preparing your taxes in no time.